Hello, today I'm going to provide you with the Guelph housing market stats for February of 2020. Now before I get into the analysis of the stats, let's take a look at the numbers. Median sales price for February was $585,259, which is up by 20.7% relative to February of 2019. Median days on market is now at 11 days, which is down by 3 days. The total number of sales was 218, which is up by 60.3%, and the total number of listings was 249, which is up by 23.3%. In January, we saw a 3% price increase year over year. At the time, it really didn't seem right because it didn't reflect what the market felt like. We were seeing multiple offer situations, and the market seemed really hot right from day one in 2020. Well, now that we're seeing a 20+% price increase in February, the market is now reflecting, and the stats are reflecting what the actual market is doing. So what's happening is with over 20% increase in inventory, that's great. But the demand right now is absolutely incredible. 60% more sales right now. And that's what's leading to the over 20% price increase in February of 2020. So inventory is actually pretty good right now, but the demand is off the charts. So if you're thinking about selling right now, now is the time. You've got to get your house on the market. However, if you need to buy and sell, it could be a different situation for you. You may actually want to buy first. In fact, that's what I would advise many of my clients to do, is buy first, then sell, because you know you're going to sell your property in this market. To have a further, more in-depth conversation about your particular situation, it's best to have a consultation, and I'd be happy to provide that for you. So please feel free to give me a call and take a look at the full stats below. Thanks a lot and have a great day.